Before 1857 shook India, Assam had already risen. This is the story of Phulaguri Dhawa. Tiwa peasants survived on poppy cultivation.
The British banned poppy, but continued selling opium themselves. They even planned tax on Tamul-paan.
1,500 plus peasants gathered and formed a Raij Mel.
When British officer Singer ordered force,
a clash broke out. Singer was killed.
Brought to you by Dhirendra Kumar. Phulaguri Dhawa ignited resistance in Assam.